Holiday sleigh on the Christmas sleigh. 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 Holiday sleigh on Christmas Day. Hey, it's Candace, also known as Candace the Makeup Artist, the MUA, and this is my first official YouTube video. I wanted to formally introduce myself to you all, let you know that I am a makeup artist. I'm based in Richmond, Virginia. I really wanted to put this video together and put my YouTube channel together really because people on my Instagram and in the community, like on Facebook and just friends I know, have been asking me for a long time to start a YouTube channel. So I was just like, how does that work? What am I supposed to do? So here I am today. I wanted to do a holiday look for you using Artistry Cosmetics. If you have not heard of Artistry, Artistry is a global brand. They're under the umbrella of the Amway Corporation, and they have a focus on skincare primarily and cosmetics. So they also have a new color line, a little more fun and funky and trendy, that launched just 2 months ago, and it's called the Artistry Studio Collection. So the city that they use as inspo for the Artistry Studio Collection is New York City. And I actually had the opportunity to go with Artistry on a trip in October to visit and to learn and to get training and education about this line. So much fun, such a great opportunity. So I wanted to share with you guys just like a really cute holiday situation you can put together using the line and using minimal products. I'm going to start off with my foundation. For those people who like to do their eyes first, I used to be on the dark side, but I came over to the light not too long ago. So I am going to use the Artistry Xtend Foundation. This foundation has SPF 20 in it. So every day you're not wearing your SPF. It doesn't matter if it's overcast. It doesn't matter if it's sunny. It don't matter if it's raining. It don't matter if it's monsooning. You need to have SPF on if you're going to be outside or at any time. I'm going to go ahead and start with my summer color is Mink, and I'm just gonna take a flat foundation brush. I think it's gonna be slightly too dark because it is more of my summer shade, but we're gonna bring it back, bro. We're gonna bring her together. Yeah, she a little bit. Yes. So yeah, I think that she might be slightly dark. So I'm gonna actually go in with a shade that's a little bit lighter, and this shade is called Cappuccino. I appreciate y'all rocking with me even from the beginning, because we're gonna look back a couple years from now and be like, woo, these videos. Woo! So I'm adding in a little bit of a lighter shade just to offset the darker shade that was just a little teensy too dark for me. I'm going to take a fluffy sponge and blend this in. Did I say a sponge? A fluffy brush and blend it in. If I start looking ashy on camera, y'all just let me know. I'm gonna edit that out though. So, what's y'all's favorite foundations to wear in the winter time? I know people get real dry. It's foundation or whatever. I'm also gonna go in with the Artistry Concealer in Very Deep, which to me needs a name change because it's not very deep. But I still like this concealer. It's just not very deep. Cause I'm not very deep. So I'm gonna let y'all be the judge of Very Deep and put the Very Deep on. And I like this concealer. I'm not playing. I like it. I'm gonna put it under my eye. But very deep. I mean, she more like a caramel spice. She more like a toffee thunder. Toffee thunder, what? She more like a tasted toffee than she is a deep there. But it's not like that spackle. If you're used to like a Shape Tape or something like that, it's not that type of consistency, which I'm okay with because I really don't need all of that. The highlighting is designed to kind of bring light to your face, to the center of your face. you don't have to do this. You could have stopped, honestly, you could stop with just a basic foundation coverage and be like golden. You really have to do your face in a way that fits you. Like, what is it that you're trying to do? What are your problem areas? The under eye area, I'm gonna use the sponge. This is by Artistry as well. I was really surprised that they came out with a sponge this year, mainly because I've been using beauty blenders for years, and so I actually like the density and consistency of this brush sponge. I just don't like that it's blue, like it's dirty or all skin dirty. But you know, I guess it's alright. So I'm gonna blend out under my eye, like tapping motions. Don't go off, y'all. Don't go off. Same thing with this center of my face. I just went. And the blender is wet, okay? It's damp. It's not like drip, drip. It ain't. Came through drip, drip, drip. Came through drip, drip, drip. Came through drip. Yeah, don't drip your beauty blender. Like, that's not what we're trying to do. I like the look. My lips dry though. Girl, dry as the Sahara. All right, so I want to set my under eye immediately. We do not collect $200. You need to go ahead and put the powder under your eye, like, immediately. Do not go straight to the powder. Okay, do not collect $200. So Artistry also has these loose powders. First of all, let's talk about the container and the packaging. Quite big. You could easily use this for about 2 years, okay? Maybe 3. Especially if you're not a big makeup wearer. This is a medium shade powder. And, oh, Lord Jesus. I'm going to dab my sponge in it. I learned this trick. Listen, all of my personal makeup tricks literally came from Beat Face Honey and Jackie Aina. Like, and just trial and error. But, honey, my camera would not let me be great and it stopped filming. Disrespect. So I was trying to say that the reason why I use powder is that you just put something wet on your face and it will have a tendency to crease. It'll have a tendency to just kind of separate if you don't powder it down. You gotta lock it down. Like, locking it down is the equivalent of putting a ring on it. It signifies that we are in union together. And so that's gonna be why you need to do that. So we're done with powder. We're pretty much done with the face and foundation routine for the most part. I do kind of want to warm the skin up a little bit. And when I say warm the skin up, I mean add some warmth to the perimeter around my hairline. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, I have really been loving the Christmas music this year. Sometimes, you know, you hear the same 7 songs in the store and you just be over it, but my favorite song is the Silent Night by the Temptations, okay? Like, don't debate me, don't at me, don't call me, call your mama, because that song, you see how it's just adding warmth and like depth to the skin. And if you don't really know how or where to do this, literally there are a million like diagrams on Google that taught me this process, but it's literally like drawing a little bit of like a 3. Hello, you see that thing? Do you see it? So that's what you do. That's what you do to add that warmth to the skin, girl. But I think there's a million tutorials about brows. I don't want to like really waste a lot of time on that. So what I'm gonna do is first start with Artistry Studio has these 2-in-1 eye sticks. They have 3 or 4 of them, I think. I might, if there's more, I'll let you know. But this one is in Tribeca Teal. So on the one side is a stick of sorts, and this is the teal. And then on the other side is a shimmer of sorts. And when you swatch it, it's kind of like a shimmer. And it's cute or whatever, but it's not really the look we're going for today. So I'm gonna stick to the Tribeca Teal side of things, this little pencil situation. And I am going to just go in under my eye. I don't know why when you go under your eye, you gotta make weird faces, but just bear with me, judge your mother, don't judge me. So, I'm just gonna swipe it on depending on your skin tone. If you are lighter skinned, this is gonna show up quickly. You're not gonna have to rub it 3,000 times. If you're darker like me or darker than me, you may have to add, just kind of go in a few times for the color payoff to really work for you. I mean, it comes off nicely, but it just depends on, ooh, contact lens. It just depends on how poppin' you want this to look. But girl, you almost look like a Christmas tree. Yes, Christmas. Someday Christmas, there will be no one like kids play with toys. All right. I mean, you know, you can end it right there, but we're not really gonna do that. So I'm also gonna go in with the Artistry Studio On The Go face palettes. I thought these were pretty cool. They came out with these as well when the line launched, and they come in 3 different palettes. So there is Liberty Light, Midtown Medium, and this is Downtown Deep. And each of the palettes has these, you know, each of the palettes has the number shades. And what's cool is if you don't know a whole lot about makeup, they have the guides on the back that kind of show you how you can use the product. So I'm gonna go in with a few things right now. I wanna add, I don't really know what I wanna do. I kind of want to do, okay, so let's go back to the face. I kind of want to finish up the face a little bit. I know I'm jumping from thing to thing, but that's just kind of how I roll sometimes when I'm doing my face. So I'm going to take that fluffy powder brush we had a little earlier, and I'm going to take number 5, which is that blushy pink tone, and that's going to be my blush. And I'm glad this comes with a mirror because your girl couldn't see what was going on. So I'm going to swipe that color and just pack it onto my cheeks. It's kind of got some shimmer in it already. It's got a little shimmer in it already. Girl, okay, so I'm gonna be real extra because it's a holiday party, even though I'm not really going to one right now. So Artistry also has this really cute illuminating light up compact. Okay, so I'm gonna just be honest with y'all. I left my light on compact on, and when I say by on, it has these lights in the inside, but I left mine on, so they're dead. Don't judge me. I'm gonna take the same gold color that we just used from this and pop it into the inner corner of my eye. Using like this little flat brush, like it looks like a little pencil. It's like a pencil brush. And I'm gonna dab that up in there. Up in there. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's kind of go in with the mascara. The cool thing about this mascara is it's a 3-in-1 mascara from Artistry Studio. So it starts off in its extended state, and then it has different, I would say, the brush bristles are a little different for each way that you use it, but you start off with the extended with the multi-brush row, and you just brush it through your lashes. And I wore falsies last night, so there's a little bit of glue still left on my lashes, because I was kind of trifling about removing it. So I brush on the top and the bottom, and then I turn it so that it's shorter. And you take the same multi-row side and wiggle. The wiggling will kind of create separation. I believe, no, volume, excuse me. Is it volume? Yeah, fullness, whatever you want to call it. Whatever word fits, that's what it does. And then you want to extend it one last time to its longest state, and take the mohawk row, meaning it's just one line of bristles, and brush that through for your final length and separation situation. Ooh, look, what in the world? What in the world? This is sabotage. I feel like this is sabotage. I done dropped mascara. Look like a mole. Okay. This one is called Spice Rum, I think. Spice Wine, Spice Rum. Clearly, I need to get it together. So I'm gonna line my lip with Spice Wine. because I like wine. Okay. I'm gonna line my lip with spiced wine. And I almost like, filling in my entire lip when I do a lip liner. I find that it helps keep the color from bleeding out over the rest of my mouth. And actually, this is a pretty freaking pretty color. Like, forget red. We might do this. Shoot. We could put a little bit of the Big Apple Red, which is one of the 2-in-1 lipsticks. So it comes with the lipstick side and then this like another shimmer shade. And what you're supposed to do is like turn the cap or something. Girl, listen. This is why reading is fun. Now, in the center of the lid, I got this tip from Nakia actually. So thank you, Nakia. She had this color combination on last night and I was a fan. Thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna put on my lashes real quick and just kind of give you the final you know, words of encouragement and wisdom. Just kidding. So BRB. So this is the look, full beat with Artistry Cosmetics. Look at the highlight though. I said, do you see the highlight? Do you love it? Do you love it? Do you like it? What? Okay, so in all seriousness, thank you so much for watching my very first of many YouTube videos, I should say. Thank you everyone who has supported me thus far. I know that this community is just getting started. I am so excited about it. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me what you don't want to see. Tell me if this sucked. I just let it know. It is so interesting being on this side of the screen, trying to create content that you guys will like. So let me know in the comments. If you know me personally, still let me know in the comments. We can get her ready for the holiday sleigh on Christmas Day. But yeah, let me know what you think, and I will catch you in my next video. Also, in case you did not see my Coterie Retreat experience with Munaluchi Bry, you need to check it out. I'm gonna put the video right here, or maybe right here, or maybe up there. It's gonna be somewhere. I'm gonna try to figure, it's gonna be somewhere on the screen. So I want you to click it and check out that experience in Bermuda and what we got to do with Munaluchi. Over and out. Love you. Bye.